Is your PCBA project stuck in endless emails, tedious manual reviews, hours of time zone gaps, and just can't start the manufacturing process? What if you could skip all of that? Introducing Rev0 PCBA by NextPCB, a fully self-service PCBA solution. No emails, no manual reviews, no time zone gaps. Optimized for 2, 4, and 6-layer FR4 designs to ensure maximum speed. Upload your Gerber files and get instant DFM feedback. Upload your Centroid and BOM files to match with real-time stock from HQ Online. And run automated DFA checks. Both DFM and DFA checks are powered by award-winning algorithms. Spot a potential risk? You decide. Ignore it and keep moving, or go back and fix it. No more waiting for permission. You know your design best. Place your order in one click, and your PCBA heads straight to production. Complete everything on day one and get your boards shipped as fast as 5 business days. Don't forget the $500 discount for your first Rev0 order. Transform the way you prototype. Start your Rev0 build today at NextPCB.com.